I'm looking at one of these planners vending machines. It's a vending machine. That's also like a big ass iPad. Huh. Kind of neat. See, why would you shop there so you could shop here? That's my question. There. Here. There. Here. This one's like a constant advertising gimmick. Very cool. Look at that. Oreo cakesters. I've never heard of it. Up. Temporarily out of service. Up. Look at this. Up. We're down. Now you're just seeing me in the reflection. This is the lamest thing ever. Wow. How long will it take? See, this is the problem. This is the problem. This never goes down. This. This. Huh. Yeah. I think I'll go for the Fritos. Alright, we're back up. Check it out. Look at that. How great is that? Sour Patch Kids, fool. Look at that. That sign says out of order except for you. Look at that. Huh. I almost want to like actually put money in there. I'm not hungry at all. Damn. Look, how great is that? Fairly great. Look at this. Even the peanut guys. I have a nutty craving. I'll give you a nutty craving. Look at that. Even highlights the one it's advertising. This is incredible. It's very cool. You knew it was coming. That's very cool, though.